My entire life. That's a lot. I think I need a drink. I'm not surprised. I'm pretty sure if I didn't drink that.
Is that a Ridge wallet?
No, this is a Dutch wallet.
This?
Yeah, sacred.
They make stuff like that here too.
Don't forget now.
高田の馬場です忘れ物だ Oh my god, look. Little sniff of the poopy.
How you doing?
Hi.
Good.
Kai.
Roland.
Nice to meet you.
Kai?
Yeah.
What if just fucking crash? It flies into it really quick. Oh, before you mean?
Yeah.
Oh, Justin, the lighting is so cool. V-specking. Stopping. Baby in car.
Oh my fuck, dude. I'm freaking. Like, the car's sick. I'm just like, I'm on the wrong side of the road, wrong side of the car. Can't even read. Don't know what the fuck I'm doing. My mind is just fucked right now. This is nice. Whoops.
You gonna put a fucking armor plate?
Wait, Jack?
Oh,
Oh,
baby.
They look so fun.
I know, right? It's like, that's how big a car should be.
no good place to pee around here. Talking to people is scary. Oh. Is it single or?
Boys room?
Boys. Do you have to shit?
No. Do you have to?
No.
Okay. Oh, that's tight.
All right.
It looks like it just belongs there.
It does look very nice.
German.
Josh, I'm viewing that one soon. Just.
Oh, wait. So nice to go with. Jonathan.
I'm surprised like Josh is like can drive on these like in a different country. Like
He's an insane driver.
Yeah.
He's always been just crazy. Crazy good.
yeah.
But
I'd be like shitting my pants if like the first car I drove is like a Skyline and it's like in a foreign country.
Yeah.
And the roads are the opposite from what I'm used to.
yeah. He's got balls.
Yeah.
This is like his, I don't know.
His pilgrimage.
Yeah. Oh, this is so sick.
Oh,
Oh, sorry.
Alright, I'll be right back.
Okay. Josh, go stand next to it. Fuck you.
So good. So hot.
You want to see, baby? Look at it. Oh, Blake has the Wi-Fi.
Yes.
Oh, did he
Yeah.
cut out?
Yeah.
I mean, you just saw 286 and you're like,
Could you turn on your lights? I just want a picture with that. I need to back up a bit.
Oh, you good?
Yeah.
Bro, this should be fine.
Oh, you too cold? You want to go inside? I'll just do it.
This is the little blue.
This is fun.
So cool. They have go-karts, dude.
why does this one feel like where the region